In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to query a list of tasks using simple Datalog and Logseq. By the end, you'll have a clean, auto-updating list of your tasks pulled together with a single, simple query. First, open Logseq by heading to the official website. If you're using the desktop app, just launch it and open your graph as usual. Make sure you're in the graph where you actually keep your notes and tasks, so the query has something defined. Next, go to your journal. The journal is your daily page and a great home base for a quick task dashboard. It keeps things simple. You can add your query there and get a daily snapshot of what needs attention without bouncing around. On your journal page, create a new block and type a short label like tasks, so this section is easy to spot later. On a new line beneath it, add the query that will gather tasks for you. Type two curly braces, the word query, a space, then task, and close with two curly braces. Written out, that's double curly brace query space, open parenthesis task, close parenthesis double curly brace. This is a simple Datalog query that asks Logseq to find any block with a task marker. If you've been using task markers already, you should see results appear as a list beneath the query block. If nothing shows yet, don't worry, we'll add a task now to confirm it's working. Add a new task using the plus menu in the editor, click the small plus icon to open the insert menu, choose the task option, and then pick the status that matches what you need, such as now, later, or another built-in option. Give your task a clear description. As soon as you create it, the query you added will pick it up and display it in the results. This is the magic of using a query. Any task with a proper marker becomes visible automatically. Finally, if your results don't update right away, look for the query block's controls and click Apply Updates. That forces the query to refresh and pull the latest items. It's useful after you've added or changed several tasks and want to see the current list at a glance. If you still don't see anything, double check that the query is typed exactly and that your tasks use official task markers. That's it. You now have a live, simple Datalog-powered task list on your journal page that keeps itself in sync as you work.